Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen and I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos, so if that sounds good to you, please subscribe below. For returning viewers, thank you guys so much for coming back and for your comments and support. It is greatly appreciated, and today I am opening up a Nadine West. I have cut open the bag, but I have not looked inside. It's just that this bag is impossible to open and it takes me 10 minutes. So if you don't know what Nadine West is, it's a styling service. They send you anywhere from like 2 to 7 or 8 items. Recently I've been getting 7 items in my bag. They send you a mix of clothing and accessories based off of a style profile. Usually I'm getting like 2 or 3 accessories. They are a little bit more affordable than other styling services, but people like their clothes less. I like that it's a very cute, casual type clothing style in my opinion. The patterns and styles are pretty simple. Sometimes they're out of season. The only cost for this service is the shipping cost, which is $9.78, which does get applied to anything you then order. If you do want to try it without the shipping cost and for a free pair of earrings, then use my referral code below. And let's go ahead and get into this. Alright, so it looks like I have a couple of bundles here. So in the first one, I just have darkness. Let's open this up. Okay. First item, oh, interesting, is a hooded sweatshirt, but it's kind of actually almost like a sweater material. It has a drawstring here in the front and a pocket here in the front as well, and just a black and white kind of heathered look to it. I really like this. I like this a lot. So, okay. So far, so good. Next up, we have a long sleeve black thing that I'm trying to unwrap here. Oh, this appears to be a cardigan. Okay, so we've got a drape front cardigan. It looks like just a big black mess on the camera, but I always can use more black cardigans, black blazers, things like that. So I'm very excited about this and hopeful that it will fit well. Okay, let's go to the next bundle. Just as an FYI, you do your returns in the same bag you receive, so I advise not to butcher it. And then they do send you a packing slip so you can stick that on your bag when you send it back. And then here we've got, oh, I see a little bit of plaid and some more black. I have been wearing a lot of black recently. I just think it's nice, a nice neutral to pair with some interesting bottoms, and so I'm always looking to accumulate more black. Alright, this is a dress, kind of a little bit of a flare to it, in a little bit of a fit and flare, and it is sleeveless, and there is a mock neck here, and it is ribbed, but it is also soft, and that's the bottom of the dress here. So I like it. I mean, it's a sleeveless dress in October, so it's a little out of season, but not too bad. I think my last bag I got like 2 pairs of shorts. So, and I live in Indiana, so it's definitely not short weather. And then we have this soft, oh boy is that soft, plaid. It's a navy, and not even navy, lighter than navy blue and mustard and black plaid top. Again, tab sleeves, because Nadine West really loves their tab sleeves, and just kind of a v-neck, and then a Henley type. I guess this is a Henley shirt, so this kind of more of a close-up. I really like this. Obviously mustard is a huge color this season, and I like that a lot. So this, ooh, I kind of like a lot so far. Alright, let's go over the jewelry. Okay, I do have 3 pieces of jewelry here. So first off, we have this necklace here. Oh, I need to figure this out. Okay, so it's just a kind of a 2-layer necklace and gold colored. I like it, but I can't say I'm super enthused about it. I like it. And then we have these starfish earrings. Let's hold that out for you guys to see. And then we have this kind of black and white sparkly earring. I don't really know what to say about this material. It's almost like beaded. I'm not sure. The jewelry is just okay. I don't know that I ever get all that enthused about the jewelry, although I have gotten a few pair of earrings that I liked. But okay, let's go ahead and try all this stuff on. Okay, first up we have this dress, and I really do like this dress. It's a simple black dress. The sleeveless is not really season appropriate, but I can wear a lot of jackets, colored blazers, cardigans, things like this on it, and that would be great. I think it would look great with this. It's definitely not too snug on the back side since it flares out, so I really appreciate that. So I think if the price is right, this might end up being a keeper. I do have the jewelry on. Give you guys a little close-up of the necklace here. I like it. It's not that exciting to me. And then here are the earrings, which again, they're fine. I doubt I'll be keeping these. Okay, let's go to the next outfit. Okay, next up we have the plaid shirt and the black cardigan. So the black cardigan, I like it. It fits well. I have a similar one that I got from my last Prime wardrobe box, but like I've said a few times, I can always use more black layering pieces. The sleeves are a little bit long, but I feel like I can scrunch them up well enough that it looks okay. I like the draping on it. I always think that's a nice detail, so I like it. I like it a lot. And then the plaid shirt, I actually expected it to be more flowy around the midsection area, and it's actually more form-fitting than I had anticipated. And I took the tabs down so it would be less scrunchy under the cardigan, so give me a second here. It is super soft. It's also lower V-neck than I expected. So I like this one. I'm not sure how in love with it I am. So what do you guys think of this one? Keeper, not a keeper? I don't know. All right, next top. Last up, we have this hoodie. It fits super well. The sleeves are not too long. It fits well here. It fits amazingly. It's not the warmest thing. It's a pretty thin material, but I like it. It's cute. It's unique. Could always use more black and white, and I like it. So you guys tell me what you think of this as well. Now let's do the recap. Okay, now let's go over prices. So the top, this top here, the mustard, and I guess the color is teal. This is $27.19. It is the raid top. I liked it, but the fact that I'm on the fence tells me maybe I shouldn't keep it. I should hold out for something I do love. You guys tell me what you think. And then we have the sherry top, I guess is this cardigan. It's the sherry cardigan, and it is $26.99. I could use it. I like it. I'm not positive about whether I want to keep it or not. Again, on the fence. I'm kind of on the fence about everything here. So this top is the laying low top. I'm realizing now I didn't read off the brands of anything as I pulled it out. I've been trying to do that more and I totally forgot. So this plaid top is by Alter Ego. The cardigan is Popular 21. This top here that I have on, this is DNA Couture, and this one is called the Laying Low, and it is $20.99. I'm actually tempted to keep this. This is just a fun, unique, casual top. I keep calling it unique. I guess it's not that unique. It's literally just a hoodie, but I like it. So I think I'll be keeping this, and then the black dress, which is by Popular 21. This is the Delighted dress, and it is $29.99. I I really like it. I think I will be keeping this because I think it'll be very versatile to wear with a lot of different cardigans and blazers and things like that. And then the starfish earrings, those are $12.99. They are the starfish dangles. I didn't show you guys, but I am wearing the black and white earrings. And these are the Rory earrings, and they are $14.99. They don't really do anything for me, so I'm not keeping them. And then the necklace is the Gone Platinum, and it is $19.99. Again, not going to keep that. So I've gone through the prices. I'm on the fence about a lot of things. I feel like the only thing I'm for sure keeping is probably this, because it's just 20 bucks, and I think that's a great price for this. So I will be posting this video before I send things back, so I'd really appreciate people's opinions. Thank you guys for watching. I very much appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, please do so below. And hopefully we'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, thanks. Bye.